Once you log into services.wayne.edu, you can access the knowledge base through the tab at the top and by clicking on the knowledge base button right here. This is a self-service for solutions and step-by-step instructions. Enter a keyword and click enter, and the knowledge base article will appear. Simply click on the topic title.
You can also search the knowledge base through categories. Click knowledge base in the top menu on the home page and you'll be taken to the list of knowledge base categories. Here you can browse to find topics that you're looking for. Simply click through the categories to view lists of articles and then click the headers for the articles to open up the full article.